Hi guys, this is your radiation oncologist friend Dr. K. So, without wasting further time, I'll just start straight ahead. What subjects are taught in radiation oncology? So, since the counseling is about to begin and anytime soon you'll be becoming a radiation oncologist, so you must know what is taught in radiation oncology, right? Yeah, it is radiation, it is oncology. But what exactly are the subjects that are taught in radiation oncology? So, number one and foremost is the radiation part. So, while reading all the subjects, what you need to know is how a patient is planned. So, you need to get a little bit technical while reading the radiation part. So, you read various type of machines. You read various type of beams like X-ray or electrons or photons, how a patient is treated, and the various units where you need to know that how much dose a patient should get, how much dose a patient should not get to save them from the toxicity. So this is the first part and the most important part. The second thing is you will be reading definitely about the chemotherapy, which is little slightly associated with the DM medical oncology part, as in our syllabus as well we have chemotherapy and we read about various drugs and it is the part of the curriculum. That is how the students are more intrigued about the chemotherapy part, and some of us end up becoming in fact medical oncologist post MD radiotherapy or radiation oncology. So in chemotherapy you'll be reading various drugs or the types of immunotherapy or the targeted agents. Like when we treat a patient, we don't only give them surgery, or we don't only treat them with the radiation part, but we also give chemotherapy. So what it is a comprehensive treatment that comprise of all three parts. The surgery part is not dealt by us, so we don't study much about the surgical oncology part, but we definitely need to know through and through about the radiation oncology as well as the medical oncology part. The third part is the radiobiology. So in radiobiology you will be reading the pathogenesis of the tumor and how a tumor grows, and why even are we giving radiation. If we give radiation, how the tumor is treated, what is going inside the tumor, how much oxygen is needed in a tumor to kill it, and how much dose is given, and how do we divide the fraction of radiation. So all that is studied in the radiation on in the radiobiology part, and it is the most easy and most I think simple part of the radiation oncology subjects, I think. And it is mostly consisting of all the conceptual knowledge. So there is nothing to learn but only to understand. So I think by far my favorite subject was radiobiology. Then comes the most difficult subject, or it might seem for some of you, that is the physics part. So in physics, what we read is there are various types of machine. So, if you are indeed becoming a radiation oncologist or you are interested in oncology, by now you must have asked your seniors or looked on Google what are the various type of machine like cobalt or linear accelerator or the proton machine or the carbon ion machines. So there are numerous discoveries when it comes to radiation oncology, and we have the one of the most uh, expensive machines while giving radiotherapy. So we need to know a little bit more about the machines, because if we are treating a tumor we need to know how a machine delivers the rays to kill the tumor. So that all technical part is taught in physics. So but don't be afraid, it is not that difficult. Yes, it is like 10-20%, but not 90-100%, not at all. So you need to know just the basic physics of all the machines, and how these machine works, and what is the physics aspect of giving treatment of radiation to any patient. So for that I think these are the most important things that you need to know. Apart from them, there are some oncology emergencies. So for that you will need to study the little bit of medicine part for treating your patients when they develop any toxicity due to radiation or chemotherapy. So for that you need to study a little bit of medicine part. So I think this is most of it, and it is not difficult, but it is not very easy. So it is somewhere in between, and the subjects are quite well distributed. And later I'll be talking about what do you study in first year and what departments or sorry, what stations are you exposed to in the first year, second year, and third year. But for now, just go look out what the books are and what the subjects are, and you might be able to know more if these subjects interest you, or they are a big no no for you before picking radiation oncologist. Till the next time, take care, be safe, and become a good radiation oncologist. See ya. Like and subscribe this. Okay.